Hello, my name's Andrew, and I'm going to be showing you how to make a quiz in Cerego. So first, go to the upper left-hand corner and click on Create, and then you're going to go to the right hand of your screen and click on Create a New Set. So once you're there, you're going to add a title to your quiz, and today we're going to be making a map quiz for the military regions of the American South during Reconstruction. And you can include a quick description for the kids. And then once you've added that, just click Save and Continue. And then the next thing you're going to do is click History and Geography to make sure that you get the right template for a map quiz. You can include the region if you want. And then this image here is going to be the icon that shows up on their dashboard. For the sake of simplicity, I'm just using the map that we're going to use for the quiz both times. So you've added that. So here you're going to click Regions. This is the template you're going to use for a map quiz. And then here is where you add the image that's actually going to be used for the map quiz itself. So go ahead and click on that. And I got this image from Wikimedia Commons, which is a great open source place to get maps that you can use for quizzes. And so here's where you're going to create the actual regions you're going to create the quiz. So start clicking first where you want to start outlining the region you're going to quiz the students on. So we're doing Military Region 5, which is Texas and Louisiana. And this is a little bit tedious, but you just have to click around the borders of the region you want to quiz the students on. And it pays to go a little slow here, to pay a little bit of attention, because when you get to the next regions, they can't overlap, and that's the biggest trick to doing a map quiz, is that your regions cannot overlap with one another. And to end a region, to end outlining it, you just click on where you started, and then you add the name. Now we're going to region 4. So again, being careful to just not overlap with region 5. And then once you're done, just click where you started. So, and then once you've clicked that final point, you're going to see the options for quizzing them, which are the checkmark boxes on the right hand of your screen. And now we're going to see how that shows up in Preview My Set. What Cerego does when it's quizzing students, it's called metacognition, which is asking them if they know something. So, I know that this is region 5. And if you say you know it, it'll immediately quiz you. And you're seeing the different options you have for quizzing. So it can highlight a region, and then it can highlight the different regions and then ask you to pick on them. It can ask you to fill in the blank. And it'll do this a prescribed number of times according to an algorithm that Cerego has. For 8 items, it should only take about 2 to 3 minutes. If you have upwards of 20 items, it's going to take upwards of 20 minutes. And that's how you create a quiz in Cerego. Thanks.